have been with Global Indian International School for the past 11 years, right from the foundation. My son got admitted at the age of 5 first standard, and he has already finished his 10th standard 2 years back, and my daughter has got enrolled in first standard and now she is in 9th standard. GIS, the school is one of the best international schools in Hyderabad. We proudly say so, as our child is not only nurtured and well groomed in academics, but we are confident and we are assured that they will excel in every field, be it academics or in sports. The school not only gives excellent education, but also ensures and provides an all-round support. It comprises of well-qualified teachers to teach, mould and provide timely guidance to all students. The personal and individual care is also being taken care of every student. It has required sports, equipment, coaches, environment, whatever child wishes, I think the school provides everything. They have fine labs, computers, wherein the children are trained in all basic formulas and PPTs, and the child is able to handle a project independently as he grows and by the time he comes to the high school. The school provides a schedule even for the field trips, which is not only fun-loving but also very informative, and I'm sure every child will enjoy it. We were happy to find our child being taken care by the parents. We are sure that every child, once it gets enrolled in GIS, they will outshine in the days to come, and the best future will be assured. The parents need not worry about it, and the dream will definitely come true. We can see the progress of the child in every field as they grow and move on to the next class. No doubt, the school has been adjudged as the #1 school in each zone according to TOI in Hyderabad. We congratulate the management, the teachers, and feel very proud to have got associated with such a renowned school that took since inception, and we do not have any regrets, and we recommend GIS to every parent. Thanks to that listeners, parents of delegates and sisters.
Hello everyone, I'm Garima, mother of Vitika Sahani, studying in 10th class. The Foundation Day is an important milestone each year, where we show our gratitude for the wisdom, courage and commitment demonstrated by those who contributed to the establishment of the school. The greatest journey in our lives start off with small steps, and we are very happy that our child is enjoying her school with his esteemed institution. The journey of my child's life began through Global Indian International School. It has embedded values and allowed my child to flourish ethically as a student, and has provided her not only with education but with special memories which will last a lifetime. GIS educators are all working diligently to improve every single child's academic and non-academic achievements by being instrumental in their all-time success and future endeavors. Change is the essence of life. With a humble beginning 11 years ago, we, the parents, our kids, the teachers and the management have striven through all the highs and lows of time and have come a long way where we stand today. Redefining and renewing the educational parameters every year through sophisticated technology and upgrading facilities for group activities and the scholastic stream as well left us wondering how the system really engages the kids and gets them pumped up and excited about learning. It's wonderful to see them coming home in a very happy mood with wonderful things to say about you and eager to share what they have learned in class that day. We appreciate the time they pay for every minute, detail, patience, ability to make a dry subject interesting, and not at least of all to make each child smile. Inspiring, empowering, engaging. These three characteristics are just a few of those which the school demonstrates to all of their students, including my kid, every single day. Thank you for being like you are and for shaping our kids and teaching us all how to follow your example.
Hello, this is Suresh here, and it's my wife Sangeeta with my daughter Lasya and Vasista, who are the students of Global India International School, Uppal. I have a small video for the Global International School, Uppal. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the GS team members on the occasion of its GS Foundation Day. And on the occasion of GS Foundation Day, it's my wholehearted wishes on the success stories of the GS school. The conscientious management and focused and well-trained academic and non-academic staff, strong perseverance to meet the day-to-day challenges, and raise above the bar to make the strongest pillars of success for the institution whose vision is accomplished. So it's the management and things together. That's what I wish them. So that is one of the key reasons for their success. And today they are able to celebrate the Foundation Day. So the collective vision of GIS family has set my thoughts, to understand the capabilities of my children to think differently in situations when creativity, hard work, athletic attitude, and collaborative approach and building an entrepreneur skill thoughts have started seeding in my child. So it is an environment when I joined the GS school for my children. So then that is where, when you are in a people of good companies, things do start in a different way. So we are fortunate to have a good atmosphere and an ambience of patiently supporting management and efficiently hearing of Jyoti madam, who takes her concerns after school hours. And then she took the concerns to the various departments, and definitely those are the things that every parent expects. And then from there, I also would like to thank the gurus, starting from Esther Rani madam, Vijay Lakshmi madam, Nagalakshmi madam, Savina madam, supporting my children, and with adequate counseling during the parent-teacher meetings helped, my children differentiate between hearing, understanding, and reproducing the classroom sessions. So basically, every parent requires more counseling than the actual children. So those parent-teacher meetings from GS school definitely has helped, along with the principal, who was always been supportive and gave us a chance to talk to her. So I've well received, understanding staff from Shiva, who drove my children from school to home and home to school very safely. And then, we also have the swimmings madam and sir, and then who's that? Ajay sir. Then we also have the skating sir, Yasin sir. Yeah, that's a very good thing. So these are the people, from whom, they had the confidence building measures when they wanted to do some swimming and all. And, that's very important for a child to really come out of the best things that they can do. So they were, their efforts are applaudable. We are happy to be a part of the Sankranti celebrations in the school, where my children could enjoy and some of the traditional activities. So my wife also could join some of the activities, and we also could feel that in twin cities where everybody stays in apartments, we had a very good ambience there. We could run across with kites and some of the traditional things, food that was available, and children were being entrepreneur by buying some food and selling them. So all this Astacham. Yeah. So my daughter and child, son, they enjoyed that. So, and definitely, definitely a well organized birthday celebrations when my child get a chance to be an active participant. So, and we also happy to see my children getting a stage for yoga and crafts and other science activities. So my wife also used to create lot of craft work, and she, being a dancer, could help my daughter get a stage performances there. So, and definitely the guest of honor who visited the GIS campuses to participate in some of the school events gave me a chance to hear the inspiring success stories of the in-service honorable dignitaries. So basically these are some of the things that we thought we would like to share on the GIS Formation Day, where my children and we could really be a part of GIS. So happy Foundation Day, and keep helping the child. And also finally I would like to conclude saying that with the GIS Uppal, wishing the GIS Uppal many more success years ahead in building a society for children who can dare to vision their future, ability to serve the nation, and not to forget their values earned in GS. That's from my family. So I'm Suresh, again Sangeeta, and Lasya from 5C and Vasista from 4C. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Happy Foundation Day to GS.
A pleasant morning to everyone. I'm Bhavagnya from 10th IGCSE, here to share my experience in IGCSE at Global Indian International School. It was quite a difficult task for me to cope up with the pressure of changing from a central board to an international curriculum. But the syllabus was not as hard as I expected it to be. It was quite easy, and the teachers were very supportive and mentored me at every step. Apart from faculty, IGCSE has helped me push my limits and explore my knowledge better. It has changed my mindset, the way of thinking, and my way of approach to questions. The assessment style is completely different to any other board, and it has helped me to organize my thoughts and organize myself better. As a part of our curriculum, at GIS we often perform many student-friendly tasks and activities that help us grow emotionally as well as socially. At GIS, we are taught to respect and appreciate every little thing that goes on around us. We are inbuilt by ethics and values, and as responsible future citizens of the country, we are being molded in great hands. It is a temple of learning.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Kumar and I am a student of GIIS. I've been in this school for 8 years and this is my 9th year. Today I would like to share my educational experience during these 8 years. All my teachers are very amiable, understanding and supportive. They work their fingers to the bone and try to destroy every impediment the student is facing on his or her path. They helped me realize my true potential. GIIS has given me plentiful opportunities in various fields such as sports, education and language learning. I've learned French as a foreign language and I believe that I can communicate comfortably with French-speaking folks. I've chosen IGCSE as my curriculum and it is a famous and an internationally recognized curriculum. I would like to thank GIIS for giving me a delightful childhood and a fantastic learning experience. Whenever I am at GIIS, it feels like I am home, a magical place everyone feels comfortable at.
Hello everyone, I'm Anogna. I'm in 7th IG. I am so glad to be studying in GIIS. I love my teachers and the way they teach me. Every single activity and celebration is carried out with precision. Not only the events but the premises are also huge. We have 3 interconnected blocks and big grounds. We also have a library, which I personally love, and a computer lab, which can fit 2 classes. We have separate rooms for singing, dancing, and instrumental. We even get to participate in plenty of inter-school competitions as well as inter-house competitions in a variety of categories. We also have a school app and they give us notifications and important announcements so that we can always be notified of what's happening. I love my school.
My name is Ashwin and I go to the school Global Indian International School. I love my school because of the tight-knit community it has, which makes it an independent school where students as well as teachers can collaboratively work together. There are also great hands-on learning opportunities that can benefit teachers as well as the students. My personal favorite part about the school is the huge campus that consists of a tennis court, a swimming pool, a cricket pitch, and way more. I used to miss my school a lot. I still do, but now our school has these great online learning opportunities. GIAS is an extraordinary school and I would recommend this to anyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sundara Reddy of grade 6 IGCSE of Global Indian International School. I love my school very much, and my school has even won the title of being one of the best international schools in the East Zone of Hyderabad by the Times of India. My school provides many facilities such as a library, a cafeteria, many labs, and even an art room for their students. My school has a very big campus of 6 acres, in which 4 acres are taken for the GA1 and GA2 activities. The GA1 activities include of dance and music, and the GA2 activities include sports. The sports are cricket, lawn tennis, table tennis, swimming, and many more activities. The teachers and coaches who train us in these activities are very helpful and get us into tournaments and competitions every year. My academic teachers are also very helpful, and they help us get into Olympiads, which are held every year in my school for the grades of 1st to 12th. So I have won 18 medals throughout these 5 years since I've been writing these exams. My teachers have trained me very well in these exams. The Global Indian International School also helps students showcase their leadership skills by selecting some students for being cabinets every year. The job of the cabinets is to help the fellow students be more disciplined and well-mannered. Last year, I have got the opportunity of being the junior deputy head girl for primary section. I finally thank my principal and my teachers for giving me and my fellow students a holistic education. Thank you.